Thank you, thank you. What's your lunch, guys? I have my leftover foods from yesterday and rice. And meron akong nilagang okra. Mainit pa si okra. Kayo ba guys, pag kumakain kayo ng okra, ang pupo nyo is malambot or madulas? Thank you for the likes, for the hearts. Thank you for sharing. How are you guys? How's your Saturday?